Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by the 412 Homestead. I'm Susie and today we're going to make some easy fudge. 2 ingredients here. We're going to use our chocolate fudge frosting. Just buy at your local grocery store. Sometimes you can catch it on sale. And we're going to use our cheap peanut butter. We're not doing anything expensive. Today I'm going to use the creamy peanut butter. If you like fudge that has nuts in it, buy the chunky kind. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the lids off. Now we've already taken the lids off. We've taken the aluminum off of the frosting and also off of the peanut butter. You don't want to light up your microwave. But what we're going to do is we're going to put each one in the microwave for about 30 seconds, probably no longer. You'll want to check it and stir it. You don't want to burn it. But we're going to put our fudge frosting in here, and you can use any kind you want. Say you like orange fudge, well, get you an orange frosting. We're going to do peanut butter and fudge, and I bet it's going to be wonderful. So what I'm going to do is put this in the microwave. I'm going to set it for 30 seconds, and we're going to check it. We're going to stir it. We just want it thin. We don't want it burnt. We're going to do the same thing with our peanut butter. It doesn't have to be completely melted, but we do want it a little bit thinner consistency. Then we're going to mix it in our bowl, and then once we get it all mixed together, we're going to pour it in our little tin pans. We're not even going to do any dishes today. I found this at my little local grocery store. You get 2 of these pans for $1. So I just lined them with some parchment paper, and we'll be able to pull that out, and oh yeah, this is already just that 30 seconds right there. That made it a thinner consistency. You all can see how it melted it. We're going to do the same thing with the peanut butter. We're just going to do it for 30 seconds. I think we can go ahead and get our chocolate in our bowl. See how it just pours right in there? I didn't need to cook it for any extra time. That 30 seconds in my microwave now was good. Your microwave, it may be different. So the key to it is you want to just check it. You don't want to overcook it. Now I will say it is a 1-to-1 ratio. This frosting is 16 ounces, and so is our peanut butter. So we've got equal parts. Of course, I got something that's not going to fit in the jar. But what we're going to do, we're going to give this a good mixing. And you know what? Maybe even if you didn't mix it all the way up, that would be good too, because you would have part chocolate, part peanut butter that you'll get in each bite. So I don't think I'm going to concern myself too much about getting it mixed totally together. I don't know, we'll see. But we're going to put it in our little 8x8 pan. Like I said, that's just a throwaway aluminum pan. And I did put the parchment paper in there. I left the corner kind of hanging out to where when it's done sitting in the ice box, you could just pull it out, put it on your cutting board, and you can chop it up. This is some good ideas for Christmas. And I know It's only August, but you all will turn around 3 times. Christmas will be here. But it'll make good little gifts. You can buy those little tins cheap. I love the Dollar Tree. You can go to the Dollar Tree, which is now $1.25, by the way. But you can go to the Dollar Tree and buy those little tins, and you can make up batches of fudge, whatever kind of fudge you think people would like. Or you can mix it up, give them a variety. I went ahead and I mixed this all up, y'all. We're just going to pour it into our aluminum pan, and then we're going to put it in the ice box. We're going to let it set for about 2 hours. We're going to let it harden up. It's pretty. It's kind of coming out like ribbon. You can see the peanut butter mixed with the chocolate fudge frosting that we're using. I want to get that all out of there. I don't like leaving stuff in the bowl because it's just wasted. So we're going to spread this out, spread it out evenly. Make sure you get it in the corners. I'm even going to get that off of our spatula here. I'm just going to give it a little tap to even it out. We're going to put that in the refrigerator, and we're going to leave that for about 2 hours so it gets good and hard. Then we'll chop it up in little bite-sized pieces. So we'll see back in just a little bit. All right, you guys, we got that peanut butter fudge out of the fridge, and it has set up nice and firm. And using that parchment paper, it just lifts right out of there, peels right off of that. Man, just moving this paper around, you can definitely smell the peanut butter fudge. And look, we didn't dirty up our pan. We can reuse it again for the next batch. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this in what I think is a good bite-sized piece, and we'll plate it up on our little platter here. I'm going to say about like that. I don't know, that's maybe about 1 inch. Maybe a little over. It's soft. It's not real brittle. And remember, y'all, it was just 2 ingredients, a can of frosting and a jar of peanut butter. They were both 16 ounces. We just melted that in the microwave, mixed them together, dumped them in our little 8x8 pan that we got on the dollar aisle at the grocery store. I think I'll be able to just do it just like that. Oh yeah. And like I said, this will be a nice little treat at Christmas time. There are so many different flavors that you guys could choose from. Just go to your grocery store aisle, look in the frosting section, choose whatever kind you like. If I had my knife just a little bit longer, but that's working out okay. Let's see. This last one's going to be kind of big. I think I cut it a little off, but that's all right. Okay. Let's move them over. All right, friends, we got all that cut up and got it on our little platter. Man, it smells wonderful. It was easy fudge to make, and I hope you guys try it. Thank you guys for stopping by the 412 Homestead. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Help us to grow. We thank you and God bless.